Did you know you can grow fresh garlic at home, even if you don't have a garden? In today's video, I'll show you the easiest way to grow garlic in pots. Simple, affordable, and perfect for beginners. Start with healthy garlic bulbs. Choose large, firm bulbs with no soft spots. Organic garlic works best because it hasn't been treated to stop sprouting. Break the bulb into cloves, but don't peel off the outer skin. Use a pot that's at least 20 centimeters deep with drainage holes. Garlic hates sitting in water. Fill it with loose, well-draining soil mixed with compost. Good drainage is the secret to strong roots. Plant each clove pointy side up. Push them about 5 centimeters deep into the soil. Keep about 10 centimeters of space between each clove. Cover with soil and water lightly. Place the pot in a sunny spot. Garlic needs at least 6 hours of sunlight daily. Water when the topsoil feels dry, but don't overwater. In a few weeks, you'll see green shoots growing. After about 4 to 6 months, when the leaves turn yellow and start drying, it's harvest time. Pull them out gently, let them dry for a few days, and enjoy your homegrown garlic. If you enjoyed this simple gardening tip, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us on Green Touch for more easy growing guides.